Jimmy, look at your brothers. Oh, pretty good, Anu. Nikki, you're going the wrong way. Cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, I'm making a movie. It's okay, you don't have to say cheese. Do you want to try it, GB? Do you guys want to get that? For home? You want to buy it? You want to see what?
I see.
Your video?
I see my video.
Okay, when we go home.
Mommy.
Yeah.
See my video. See my video.
Go over, Anu.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I have to tell you something.
What?